Yeah. Can you call Sadie? Come on, Sadie, let's go for a walk. Come on. Go get her. Go ahead. Go get Sadie. Tell her we have to go for a walk now. Come on, Sadie. Come on, get her. Come on. Let's go. Say, come on. You gotta put her collar on, right? Her leash. Let's put her leash on. Okay, get her. Say, come on. Why don't you get the edge of the leash? Get the handle. Okay, let's go. Get the dog. Get the handle. Yeah, get here. Get here. Get this part. Here. Okay, let's go. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Take Sadie out. Go ahead. Let's go. Go. Okay, go ahead. Go. Slow down. Good girl. Uh-oh. Don't let her go. She's gonna run away. Come on, go. Go to the elevator. Go ahead. Go to the elevator. Come on. All right, go here. Sadie, come. Okay. Go on the elevator. Oh, it's here. Let's go. Come on.